GM, welcome to the fourth episode of Satoshi on the Rocks. In this episode, we will be making a recipe that was suggested to us by one of the projects out there. This one is hoskytoken, and the name of the drink is Hosky Zero, with water and a hint of yellow dye. So if you're looking for something simple to make for the holidays, this is the one. So it's two ingredients. Water, you could use tap water. I have filtered water here. That's the only way I roll for my beverages. And we have some food color and dye. These ones are essential every days. It really doesn't matter what you choose. So a little bit about Hosky. It is the largest dog meme coin on the Cardano blockchain. It also prides itself as being a stable coin. And if you look at the charts, still $0. What do I mean by stable? It pegs itself to the value of a fiat currency like the dollar or the yen, in this case, $0. So let's get started. We got our water here. We have a hint of yellow dye. We'll try to make this as subtle as possible. There it is. Right off the bat, doesn't look too good, gonna be honest. That doesn't have a smell. So, Hosky Zero, 0 calories, 0 caffeine, 0 carbs, 0 fat, 0 flavor, and there you have it. So, if any projects out there have a drink suggestion on something I should do for my next video, let me know. I'm always open to suggestions. I'm always excited to see what people come up with. And again, if you have a better spin on this beverage or any of the beverages I make, go ahead, make it, put it up there. I'd love to see it. And we'll see you next time.